Am I the asshole for charging a bride more for makeup when the original price we agreed on was lower? I'm a makeup artist for the past 9 years. I charge $500 for bridal makeup and around $250 for bridesmaids. But for regular party makeup, I charge about $150. So a few weeks ago, a lady had booked me for party makeup on June 25th. She booked for 10 a.m. I went there thinking I'd do regular party makeup. I had agreed that the cost would be $150 with her. As I was there were some people coming over. I assume relatives. At some point, it slips from a woman about the wedding, and I realize that the woman I'm doing makeup on is the bride. I was pissed when I realized I was doing bridal makeup for the price of simple party makeup. I couldn't believe that she would lie about the occasion, but I kept doing my job. After we were finished, she gave me $150, and I notified her that she was actually $350 short. I swear, some people. Guys, a like for part 2. When I was done with her makeup, she gave me $150, and I notified her that she was actually $350 short. She asked what I meant by that, and I said that I did bridal makeup. And that's what I charge for brides. She said that we agreed on simple party makeup and that I'm basically ripping her off because I work the same amount of time and use the same amount of makeup as I would just for the simple party makeup. Then she said that although she's the bride, she didn't want full glam makeup, but just a simple makeup look. I told her that she doesn't get to dictate how I form my prices. She then refused to pay me at all and called me a scammer and told me to get out of her house. Before I left, her mom threw $200 in my face and told me to get lost. Later, I was telling my friends what happened and they all sided with the bride. They said that unless I used more expensive products and did extra labor, that I'm not justified in charging her more since she requested simple party makeup. So now that my friends are telling me that I'm the asshole, I need to ask you guys, am I wrong for charging her more just because she was the bride? The fact that people have to sit here and ask if they're the asshole in situations like this blows my mind.